Coronavirus live updates. Former Indian cricketer Chetan Chauhan passes away due to COVID-19. Several areas in Hyderabad flooded after heavy rain. Pranab Mukherjee continues to be on ventilator support, states hospitals. Custom official raids jewellery units in Kozhikode on behalf of Kerala gold smuggling case. Gold prices fall sharply, down 4,000 from last week's highs. Greenland's ice sheet melt beyond point of return. Say studies. Scientists identify potential drug candidate against COVID-19. Now, the news in detail. Coronavirus live updates. Former Indian cricketer Chetan Chauhan passes away due to COVID. Former Indian cricketer Chetan Chauhan, who had been admitted in a hospital after being tested positive for COVID-19, breathed his last on Sunday. The 73-year-old Chauhan, who was also a cabinet minister in Uttar Pradesh government, was admitted at Sanjay Gandhi PGI Hospital in Lucknow after testing COVID-19 positive on July 12th. Several areas in Hyderabad flooded after heavy rain. Choppers deployed. Hyderabad. Several areas in Hyderabad and rural areas have been flooded with non-stop rains over the last 3 days. The weather office has predicted more rains in the next 3 days, and high alert has been sounded in many areas of Telangana. Over 600 buildings have been declared vulnerable in Hyderabad. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has asked officials to be on high alert for any incidents of flooding. Pranab Mukherjee continues to be on ventilator support, states hospitals. The condition of former President Pranab Mukherjee remained unchanged on Sunday, and he continued to be on ventilator support. Doctors attending to him said. They said his vital and clinical parameters are stable. The doctors at Army Research and Referral Hospital in Delhi, Cantonment, said the health of the former president is being closely monitored by a team of specialists. His son, Abhijit Mukherjee, said he visited the hospital on Saturday and his father is much better and stable than preceding days. Kerala gold smuggling case. Customs officials raid units in Kozhikode. The Customs Preventive Division in Kozhikode conducted a raid at a jewellery manufacturing unit in Kozhikode on Thursday. The raid started around 12:30 pm at manufacturing unit of Marina Gold in Palayam. The custom is checking details of unaccounted gold details of the shop. Apart from Marina Gold, there was another customs raid in Govindapuram at 11 am, but no major evidence was collected from the raid. According to Customs Preventive Division officials, these are follow-up raids in the Thiruvananthapuram gold smuggling case, and more people will be interrogated in coming days. Gold prices fall sharply, down 4,000 from last week's highs. Gold prices fell sharply in India this week, tracking a decline in global markets. On Friday, October gold futures fell Rs 760 or 1.5% to 52,170 per 10 gram. For the week, gold was down about 2,600 per 10 gram. But from August 7th highs of about 56,200, gold is down but 4,000 per 10 gram. Silver also fell sharply on Friday, slumping 5.5% or 4,000 to 67,220 per gram. Greenland's ice sheets melts beyond point of return, say studies. Greenland's vast ice sheets may have melted beyond the point of return. A new research suggests, no matter how quickly the world cuts emissions that are heating the climate, the ice is likely to disappear. This research by Ohio State University scientists add. The group of scientists who studied 243 glaciers in Greenland for 34 years until 2018 found the annual snowfalls were not enough anymore to refill the glaciers. Scientists identify potential drug candidate against COVID-19. Using state-of-the-art of computer simulations, scientists have identified a pre-existing drug to treat multiple diseases including bipolar disorders and hearing loss that could prevent the novel coronavirus disease from replicating in horse cells. An advance that may lead to therapeutic solution against COVID-19. The study, published in the journal Science Advances, assessed the molecular pain protease MPRO of the novel coronavirus, which is a key enzyme that plays a central role in its life cycle. Robert Trump, brother of President Donald Trump, dies aged 71. Trump on Friday visited his brother in hospital after White House officials said Robert had become seriously ill. Officials did not immediately release the cause of death. Russia's new Sputnik launch raises risks in dash for COVID-19 vaccine. Spanish regions ban smoking over COVID-19 risk. Coronavirus hundreds gather in Madrid for anti-mask protection. US witnessed 50,000 COVID-19 deaths in 23 days. India took 156 days to reach the same. India sends 30 tons of technical equipment to help deal with the tragic oil spill in Mauritius. Russia to release first batch of COVID vaccine. Air India forced to close 5 European stations in Vienna, Milan, Madrid, Copenhagen and Stockholm respectively due to COVID-19. 18 killed, 21 missing after Nepal landslide. New Zealand. Jacinda Ardern delays election over COVID-19 fears. ICICI Bank raises 2 billion via institutional placement.
Studies explain that D614G is 10 times more infectious than coronavirus. On Sunday, Malaysia's health minister announced that D614G is a mutation of coronavirus has been detected in at least 3 of 45 cases in a cluster. Mauritius oil spill. Brett MV Vacatio ship breaks up. A Japanese bulk carrier that has leaked hundreds of tons of fuel oil off the Mauritius coast has broken apart, authorities in the island nation say. After TikTok, Trump indicates banning Alibaba and another Chinese firms in US. Coronavirus death in US cross 1,70,000, says reports. VJ Day, UK commemorates 75th anniversary as royal-led tributes. Pakistan PM Imran Khan has solid reason why arch rivals can't play bilateral series right now. At India-Japan summit next month, Modi and Abe sign off key military pact. Sri Lanka faces nationwide blackout after power failure.
Thailand's pro-democracy protests grew beyond college campuses. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi likely to lose post. Islamabad is abuzz with rumors that Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi may be replaced with Human Rights Minister Shireen Mazari as the government tries to mend damaged relations with Saudi Arabia over the former's remarks. Trump administration approves oil drilling in Alaska's Arctic National Wildlife Refuge. The Trump administration on August 17th finalized a plan to allow oil and gas drilling in Alaska's Arctic National Wildlife Refuge. South Korean EV against Edison Motors set to visit Rs 5,000 crore in UP.
Maharashtra has more COVID 19 cases than South Africa, which is the sixth worst hit country in the world. China grants its first COVID vaccine patent to CanSino, stays report. Coronavirus vaccine will be ready by December end, says Chinese company Sinopharm. Oxford COVID 19 vaccine human trial to start soon in Mumbai.
Kamala Harris' sister, stepdaughter, needs to deliver speeches to nominate her as vice president. Oxford COVID 19 vaccine trials will be held in 17 hospitals in India. Democrats make it official to nominate Biden to take on Trump. New York. Democrats formally nominated Joe Biden as their 2020 presidential nominee Tuesday night. Hong Kong bans Air India flights till August end. Hong Kong. Passengers from India can arrive in Hong Kong only if they have a COVID-19 negative certificate from a test done 72 hours prior to the journey, according to rules and regulations issued by the Hong Kong government in July. Coronavirus vaccine update. Serum Institute starts phase 2-3 clinical studies for over 1,600 volunteers. Serum Institute of India has initiated phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of its COVID-19 vaccine to evaluate its safety and immune response on healthy Indian adults. Australia to give free COVID vaccine doses. Australia has said once a vaccine for the novel coronavirus becomes available, it will offer it free to all citizens. Elon Musk's SpaceX raises $1.9 billion in largest funding round to date. Rohit Sharma's net session leaves Ranveer Singh impressed. Imran Khan says Pakistan will not have diplomatic relations with Israel. Pakistan and Israel do not have diplomatic relations and their aircraft are not allowed to use each other's airspace. More than 1.1 million stranded Indians return home through Vande Bharat mission. Brazil Vice President challenges actor Leonardo DiCaprio to hike in Amazon. Rare golden curtal found in Nepal for the first time ever. Bangkok. Coronavirus faces tourism breathing in world's most visited city. Angela Merkel hosts Greta Thunberg for talks on climate crisis. Chandrayaan-2 completes a year-around moon. Enough fuel for 7 years, says ISRO. Record melting in Greenland. It lost 586 billion tons of ice in 2019. Lionel Messi tells Koeman he is closer to living than staying at Barcelona, says report. Russia vaccine rollout plan prompts coronavirus mutation worries. Biden accepts Democratic nomination. Vows to end season of darkness. The current president has cloaked America in darkness for much too long. Too much anger, too much fear, too much division, says Joe Biden. India's first coronavirus vaccine, Covaxin, could be available by end of 2020. Health Minister Harshvardhan says. UK issues urgent call for more Indian, South Asian COVID-19 plasma donors. Scientists decode how severe COVID patients develop low blood oxygen levels. India China to work towards complete disengagement of troops. India and China have agreed to resolve all outstanding problems in an expeditious manner and in accordance with the existing protocols, New Delhi said on Thursday after border talks between the two Asian giants.
Beijing says residents can go mask-free as China coronavirus cases hit new lows. Wildfire grows in California. Thousands flee home. Water inside China's Three Gorges Dam nears maximum levels. Torrential rain has water level at world's biggest dam to record, forcing authorities to increase discharge volume.